Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. This is a big bore V-twin, liquid-cooled fuel injection. If you like a really torquey, big, heavy cruiser, you're going to love this. Beautiful highway accessories, including a full windscreen, engine guards, floorboards for both the driver and the passenger. It's got some nice saddlebags and a backrest and a luggage rack to make your passenger very comfortable. We've just run it through our shop. Everything works perfectly. Got a great sounding straight exhaust. You're going to hear that in a minute. Belt drive, so no chain to mess with. This bike is in excellent condition. We have financing available, extended service contract, only $56.99, just 34,000 miles on the odometer, 2005 Vulcan 2000. See how good she sounds. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.